Welcome back to Stage Alpha Garage with me, Shaker, and today we have a Subaru WRX 2022. So we're going to throw on some sweet ass wheels and some tires that'll do good on track days. The Enkei TS-10 is available in gloss black, storm gray, or gold. Available on 17-inch and 18-inch sizes with multiple bolt patterns and offsets. So there might be a size that fits your vehicle. Check it out today. Let's go check fitment and then we can mount some Pilot Sport 4s on these wheels. You always want to check fitment before mounting anything. We do have hub-centric rings to complete the fitment, and I don't see any issues with clearances. I'll go check the back.